So this is a problem I've had for years now. Never knew where it was coming from. Every time I shut my door on my 240 with all the windows up and the AC not on recirculate, or the HVAC control not on recirculate, I'd get a weird sound, like a thunking noise, coming from somewhere under the dash or right around the firewall. And today, while I was making room to put my Mega Squirt up in my glove compartment, I finally found the cause of it. And I wanted to post this in case anybody else has been having the same weird issue. So this is, inside of your glove compartment area. And up here, there's this pivot arm. And I'm obviously missing the bolt right here. But that is the exact sound that I've been hearing every time I shut my door. I get a nice thunk, thunk, thunk. And it kind of settles out. So hopefully I should be able to put a screw back in there, or a bolt back in there, and have that fixed, because that has been the weirdest little annoyance I've had in this car for many years now. So I hope this helps someone, and yeah.